Let's take a look at that. Well, maybe if it'll let me. Yeah, here we go. We'll open it in the browser. Not too bad. All right. Easy enough. Those are kind of cool spaces. And probably the type of, well, definitely the type of homes that my clients have. And so you'll have to tweak these for whatever your art is. Whatever your target market is, the kinds of homes they have, and so on and so forth. But for right now, we're just gonna choose one of these guys. I kind of like this one the best. Let me think here. No, let's choose this one.